here we are. I was gonna show you something cool. Well, this is what I'm doing. This is something my buddy Matt got for me. Matt Bella at mattbella.com. B-E-L-L-A-H. Or is it Matthew Bella? I think it's Matthew, B-E-L-L-A-H.com. He's an author, does sci-fi and other stuff. And he got me this Phonomenal bowl. He said he liked it, so it's vegan. Not by the time I'm done with it. But, you know. Thank you, sir, for your kind offering. So, yeah. Made by a guy named Duke Pham, or Pham. And it only takes a minute. Like, quite literally, it only takes 1 minute to cook. That's fast, folks. But unfortunately, with that only 1 minute to cook, I don't get to do what I'm like probably gonna just have to wait till tomorrow to do. I have to grab a Chinese variety, and then I'll get that going. And my wife got me an erhu for Christmas. And an erhu is a 2-stringed bowed Chinese traditional instrument. You might see a busker at a bus station or at a street event playing one, and I've always loved the sound of those things, and I thought it'd be fun to give it a try. They're really not expensive, so at least for the ones you can get cheaply on eBay. But so to the line. Didn't make a mess. That's a first. And it only literally goes for 1 minute. So there we are. And this. And now we wait. So we're getting more snow. We got snow. And oh, I saw a crazy thing the other day. Hi, Miles. Come here for a second. You can come say hi to the nice people.
Hi to the nice people.
How are you doing? Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah? Did you get all your fun stuff?
Yes.
Did you get your new noisy tablets?
Yes.
Yeah.
My tablet says the dog who saved Christmas.
The dog who saved Christmas.
Yes.
All right. Well,
This is me.
it is you. All right, go sit down. Papa's doing his show. I will. Thank you very much. Love you. But yeah, I went out walking last night to go get produce at the store, which they had none of. This is like a large grocery store, no produce. It's like, what the hell? Inclement weather, sure, and it was Monday. Usually places like that get their deliveries on Tuesday, but there were customers out there on the floor saying like, well, you know, it's all in the back. They've got it all in the back. There is no in the back. You guys understand that? If you go to a grocery store and you want to get stuff or some kind of store, generally, I bet you they got more in the back. They don't, because there's no room. There's no freaking room. Really, there isn't enough room for all that kind of ridiculousness. So this is supposed to be really good, and I'm hopeful, but I won't be surprised if I don't like this one. I had a pho the other day that was delivered. God, what was that? And it had retort pouches. That was the soupli, and that was off the freaking hook, because it came with, one came with beef and one came with chicken. They both had collagen. Noodles were great. Everything was great. One minute was all right. Boy, I don't get a lot of show today, folks. They're already acting up. Miles took a black robot and brained Mimi with it earlier. It's like they need to get back to school, man. It's not bad. I don't know. I don't know exactly who's making this. I mean, this is private label stuff, so. Hey, be nice out there. Are you being nice? Are you being nice? Well, get him. All right, that's enough getting him. Hot stuff, stay out of the kitchen, please. That's enough. Too much noise. Shush. Oh, I can't wait till they go back to school. Time out. And then that's been the thing lately. You tell them anything, they just say, no. You're not supposed to cause harm to your children, but are they supposed to cause harm to you? I don't know. My mental state is definitely teetering on the edge. That's it! All done. Go have a seat, go enjoy yourselves, but running around like a herd of wild buffaloes ain't gonna cut it today, guys. So go play. Within reason. I miss going out and walking, being amongst nature. I do so miss it. But, you know, there was no produce last night, so hopefully there'll be some today, and if there's not, that's just an excuse to go out tomorrow. I've kind of given up on the diet lately, because it's just like, I tend to be one of those people when they're stressed out, they want to have some comfort food. And oh boy, that's good stuff lately. I even rescinded my whole, nah, I'm not going to drink anymore thing. I'm having a couple beers here and there. I hadn't had a beer in, well, like 3 months. By choice, I just wanted to kick out the calories and stuff, you know. It's really just empty calories, but I got one, what was it called? It said it was a Nordic. What? Tell her no.
Mimi, go bedroom.
Stay out of the... Go sit down and shush. You're gonna get timeouts. No timeout. But yeah, it's just been too stressful around here. I can't blame them. They're totally stir crazy because there's like no kids around, nothing to do. Anyways, this isn't bad. It's a instant pho rice noodle. Let's let Rotato take care of business. Ah! Something different. No. God, frickin'. No, we'll do this one. Ah! Ah! for me today, yeah, this is the empty box that my beer was in. It's Skull Rock. Yeah, it was. I don't know. Usually Elysian stuff is really quite good, but this I thought Nordic style pale ale, okay, because I really like winter beer. Like it's usually a higher alcohol content, but it's more stick to your ribsy. We used to have a place down in Seattle before COVID. I think COVID kind of killed them if other stuff didn't. Called Pike Place Brewery, and they made one called Old Acquaintance Ale, and it had a picture of Santa Claus on it. And the first batch that they made of that back in the like maybe 2001, 2099, I can't remember, but that stuff was cherry. It was so good. It had like lemon peel, orange peel, nutmeg, all sorts of spices, nice and thick and heavy. And then they thinned it out, and it wasn't ever as good again. But yeah, we'll see. The grocery store that doesn't have the produce, they don't have any seasonal beers, and that was like the closest thing I could find to anything seasonal. So so it's gonna be New Year's. What's your New Year's resolution, Mimi? What are you gonna do for New Year? What's something you're gonna do in the new year that's gonna be a good thing to do?
Cards.
You're gonna play some cards?
Like some of these cards over here.
Oh, well, it's not the new year yet. Miles, what are you gonna do in the new year?
Watch on my tablet the Dog Who Saved Christmas.
You're gonna watch The Dog Who Saved Christmas on your tablet?
Yes.
You like Foreigner, Miles. I think there's a guy from Foreigner that does a Christmas song. Anyways, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to go and check to see if I can get some more beer or something, and I don't know. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment to your noodles each and every day. And yeah, thanks again to Matt Baila for sending this over. Have a good one. Bye-bye.